In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your account reflects the correct email. Before we begin, make sure you can access both your current Brevo account and the new email address you want to use. That prevents any lockouts or missed confirmation messages. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Brevo login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. If your Brevo account is connected to Google, this is the quickest way in. If you typically use another login method, simply sign in the way you normally do. The rest of the process is the same once you're inside your account. When Google shows your available accounts, pick the one that's linked to your Brevo workspace. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're selecting the correct one so you land in the right place. Once you're in the Brevo dashboard, look to the upper right corner and click your name or profile avatar. A small menu will appear. Select My Profile to open your profile information. This section is where Brevo stores your personal details and how it knows which email to use for notifications and sign-in. On the Profile Information page, locate the email address field. Click into it and type the new email you want associated with your account. Take a moment to review for typos. Mistakes here can block you from receiving important alerts or password resets. It's also a good idea to use an inbox you check regularly and one that complies with your organization's policies, especially if your team restricts certain domains. After you've entered the correct email, scroll down and click Update My Profile. Brevo will save your changes and may display a confirmation message on the screen. In some cases, you might be prompted to verify the change or confirm your identity. That's normal security. If a verification is needed, follow the on-screen guidance and keep an eye on your new inbox. That's it, your Brevo account email is now updated. If you use Google to sign in, remember that your access follows the Google account you choose at login. So moving forward, select the Google account that matches your new email. If anything doesn't look right after saving, refresh the page and check the email field again to ensure the change stuck. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're all set to keep using Brevo with your updated email.